Tap the plus sign down at the bottom of the screen. It has the white box around it. Scroll from photo to 60 seconds. Press and hold the big red button that will allow you to record. There you go. Once you're done recording, tap the red check. Tap the X at the top to get rid of that sound, then tap next. Now you'll be going to get your hashtags from your notepad. You're going to copy and paste it, making sure that they're correct. Dr. Malcolm Tanner, Melanated People of Power, Tanner 2024, Tanner and Tanner. Grab them up, and I head back over, and I put them up in the post. There you have it. I'll be copying and pasting it, making sure I can remove anything else that I don't want there. Tap it on that screen, it'll clear you out. You do your editing for who you want it to go to, then you press post video and you're done. Welcome in.